Welcome to Wazobia Nation.
A visionary development designed to redefine community living, culture, and sustainability in Ontario, Canada. A place where innovation meets tradition and where investment meets legacy. Spanning 20 hectares of serene landscape, Wazobia Nation brings together the perfect blend of eco-luxury living, family comfort, and cultural pride. Every section of the estate tells a story, and every investment builds a future. At the heart of the estate lies the Founders Court. 18 exclusive luxury villas reserved for elite investors and visionaries. It's more than real estate. It's legacy ownership, complete with private access, modern architecture, and prestige that grows in value. Next, our family townhouses and residential homes are designed for comfort and sustainability, offering smart living technology, green utilities, and safe family spaces. The condominium blocks create modern convenience for newcomers and young professionals, while the community center connects everyone through culture, wellness, and events. The Children's Village brings education and adventure together, a home of learning, play, and creativity. Nearby, the Senior Citizens Home provides comfort and care for our elders, ensuring Wazobia Nation remains a complete, intergenerational community. Our Eco-Deluxe Smart Villas redefine hospitality, offering investors high-yield, short-stay returns. The Wazobia Palace stands as the cultural and event hub of the estate, while the Golf and Recreation Park creates spaces to relax, connect, and celebrate life. A commercial zone with a convenience store, gas, and EV charging station ensures residents and visitors have access to every essential service, all within the estate. Wazobia Nation is more than a development. It's a movement of culture, community, and prosperity. Investors gain not just equity, but recognition, legacy, and long-term returns from every project phase. Join us today. Wazobia Nation, building the future, preserving the heritage. For more information, contact the 11th Idea Agency Incorporated.